When camping or enjoying an outdoor lifestyle, a portable outdoor chair is an essential item. Maximize your outdoor activities with easy setup and 360-degree rotation. Introducing a new, premium outdoor chair for you, Talon Swivel Chair. Talon Swivel Chair fully rotates in 360 degrees with a simple, easy installation method, water-repellent nylon material and comfortable cushion, combined with air-permeable mesh material. Talon Swivel Chair will get you ready for all kinds of outdoor activities. And when we say easy installation, it's really that easy. Grab 2 leg frames on both sides and spread them apart at opposite ends. Pull up the handle of the upper frame, and finally, pull the handle of the lower frame below and zip up the backrest to complete. Let's get to know Talon Swivel Chair a little bit better. This chair is highly portable thanks to its compact and lightweight design, but also ergonomically structured with high-functional nylon, mesh, and Talon cushions. We've applied a longer frame and wider seat to enhance balance and stability. Our all-in-one Bigfoot design helps to stay grounded and supported, allowing you to relax on any terrain without worrying about the risk of falling. Talon Swivel Chair comes in 2 options, standard and long type. Long type offers another level of comfort with a long and wide seat. With a pillow embedded into the headrest, you'll instantly be put into relaxation mode. Standard type, on the other hand, focuses on light, portable, and convenient use. Freely make your choice according to your needs. Available in 3 colors: Noir, Polo Blue, and Safari. Talon Swivel Chair allows you to store belongings inside organizers so you can enjoy your outdoor activities hands-free. Improve the quality of your camping experience with Talon Swivel Chair when you're cooking at the campsites or grabbing something on the other side. Regular chairs require you to leave your seat every time or manually reposition the chair. With the 360-degree swivel technology of the Talon Swivel Chair, you can now remain seated and simply turn around in comfort. Do you have a passion for taking wildlife photographs or hunting? Animals, for example, run away at the slightest noise. Let Talon Swivel Chair be your reliable assistant. A sturdy, stable frame and smooth, noise-free rotation in full 360 degrees. Driven to create a practical, comfortable outdoor chair, we're confident the backers will see value and potential of our premium outdoor chair, but kindly support our campaign and open a new chapter for your outdoor activities. Talon Swivel Chair.
Bugs ruining your outdoor enjoyment? Imagine a world where mosquitoes, bees, and wasps are no longer an issue. Introducing the Bug Beater 2.0, a chair built for comfort and protection. The Bug Beater isn't your regular folding camping chair. It's 3 products in one: a canopy chair, a cooler, and a bug net, all at once. The first of its kind, our chair is designed to allow you to enjoy the outdoors for longer. With its fully detachable, 100% fire-resistant bug netting, the Bug Beater can become your portable, bug-free sanctuary in less than a minute. For those sunny summer days, the built-in canopy extends or collapses easily with its quick fold technology. And since no quality camping chair is complete without it, we've integrated an extra large 5-can cooler right into the arm of the chair. Easy to set up and even easier to pack away, the Bug Beater 2.0 folds into a compact, portable backpack ready to go wherever adventure calls. Gone are the days of greasy bug sprays and toxic mosquito coils. The Bug Beater is the ultimate solution to all your bug problems. Whether you're hitting the beach, setting up camp, or just enjoying a night in your backyard, this all-in-one chair is the perfect companion for any outdoor experience. Join our campaign today and be the first to embrace the new way to enjoy the outdoors with the Bug Beater 2.0.
furniture around on your outdoor adventures. Looking for versatile folding ones for indoors, balcony, or backyard? Meet Foldable Lander, the lightweight, compact, and ergonomic furniture collection that's perfect for outdoor activities and limited urban living spaces. With its 2.2 pounds frame weight and payload support of up to 240 pounds, Foldable Lander is easy to deploy like an umbrella and takes only 5 seconds to set up. And with its compact design, Foldable Lander saves up to 98% of its volume when fully folded and retrieved, making it easy to store in small spaces like closets or under the bed. Perfect for outdoor activities like camping and hiking, where portable furniture is essential. Great for urban apartments or rooms where space-saving furniture is necessary. Ideal for home office or study spaces where versatile furniture is desired. Fantastic for trade shows and exhibitions where portable and easy to set up furniture is needed. With its ergonomic design, Foldable Lander is not only space-saving but also comfortable. Don't let heavy, cumbersome furniture weigh you down. Get Foldable Lander today and start enjoying the great indoors and outdoors without the hassle. Foldable Lander. Chair, table, ottoman. Lightweight, compact, ergonomic. Available now on Kickstarter. Get it early at a limited special price.